What if I told you the way you invest your money today could decide whether you retire rich or struggle forever? You earn, you save a little, you spend, but your money just sits there. That dream house, the world tour, the financial freedom to quit your 9 to 5, they all seem out of reach, right? But here's the secret nobody taught us in school. The way you invest your money can be the difference between stress and success. Would you ever light your money on fire? No? Then why let inflation silently burn it every year? Today, I am going to decode something that can completely change your financial future. SIP versus Lumpsum. Which one is better for you? And to help you decide with complete clarity, I will break this down into 6 simple lessons. Each lesson is designed to help you make smarter, confident investment choices, no matter where you are starting from. So let's begin. Lesson 1. What is SIP? SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's like a monthly subscription, but instead of Netflix, you are investing in your future. Every month, a fixed amount goes into a mutual fund of your choice. It's simple, automatic, and consistent. Think of SIP like watering a plant every day. It might seem small, but over time, it grows into a mighty tree. Lesson 2. What is lump sum? Lump sum is when you invest a big amount all at once. Got a rupees 1 lakh bonus? You throw it into the market in one shot. It's quick, powerful, but comes with risk. Because if you invest on the wrong day during a market high, your money could go down fast. Lesson 3. Which one gives better returns? Trick question. There's no one size fits all answer. SIP works best in volatile markets. You invest when it's high, you invest when it's low. Over time, you average out the cost. This is called rupee cost averaging. Lump sum works best when you know the market is undervalued, maybe after a crash, like COVID in 2020. And in a minute, I will tell you how to decide exactly which one fits your situation. Lesson 4. The psychology of investing. Here's what most people ignore. Your emotions are the real villain. SIP removes emotion. You don't have to time the market. It builds discipline month after month without thinking. Lump sum? Well, it needs guts. It's like jumping into a cold pool. If you panic when markets drop, you might regret it. Ever bought crypto at the top and sold at the bottom? Yeah, that's the lump sum fear. Lesson 5. Real life scenarios. What should you do? Are you just starting out with rupees 5,000 a month? Go for SIP. Got a bonus or sold property? Consider lump sum. But maybe split it into multiple SIPs over a few months. This is called STP, Systematic Transfer Plan. This way, you reduce the risk and still put your money to work. Lesson 6. The SIP trap no one talks about. Just doing SIP is not enough. You must choose the right fund and increase your SIP every year as your income grows. This is called a step-up SIP. Imagine this. You start with rupees 5,000 a month and increase it by 10% every year. In 20 years, you could end up with double or triple the wealth. You started this video wondering which path leads to wealth, SIP or lump sum. But now you know the truth. It's not about the method. It's about the mindset. SIP builds habits, lump sum builds opportunity. But you build your future. Remember this. The best time to invest was yesterday and the next best time is today. Because the cost of waiting is more than you think. So here's your action step. If you haven't started investing yet, set up your first SIP right now. Even rupees 500 is a start. Because wealth is not built by luck. It's built by consistency. And if you are wondering, where do I even find the money to invest? That's exactly what I cover in the next video. Budgeting for beginners. Click on the screen now and let's restart your journey to financial freedom.